We're now going to take a look at how to mount a hoop bender from Bootstrap Farmer for high tunnels, hoop houses, and greenhouses in 10, 12, and 20 foot wide structures, made from 1 3/8 by 10 foot long top rail. Your Bootstrap Farmer hoop bender will come with the bender itself, an extension pole for leverage, 2 carriage bolts, and 2 nuts. It's important to note that if you plan to build a hoop house, high tunnel, or greenhouse, you will need a separate bender for each width. Find a sturdy structure. To align the carriage bolts, place the hoop bender as far up as you can to allow yourself enough room to work. To mark where you're putting your holes, twist the carriage bolt in each of the mounting holes to make yourself a divot in the wood. Then drill a hole to match the diameter of the carriage bolt, and from the back side of the wood, tap the carriage bolt into place to set and prevent turning. Line your hoop bender's holes from the opposite side of where you tapped in your carriage bolts to reveal the threads. Place the nuts on the carriage bolt and tighten clockwise. Your hoop bender is now ready. Another option is to mount the hoop bender on a 1x and then mount the 1x on any other sturdy structure that's around your farm, like this metal stand or this wall. For our complete high tunnel kit guide and full instructions, visit bootstrapfarmer.com. Our next video, we will cover how to bend the poles.